Ever since I started the eCamps experience, everything changed. I changed. Everything I do on my cabinet as a daily work has the eCamps signature. I changed my perspective regarding my work, my daily activity. I see the patients in a different way. eCamps gave me trust. That is the most important thing that I gained, trust on what I have learned.
The confidence I get from eCamps, or I got from eCamps, and I will have in the future, it's priceless. To push even more, you have to learn. You have to train. I think that in eCamps, the faculty taught me that you have to be on top of it, and you have to keep on reading and learning.
We learn a lot from the eCamps program because before we start the hand-ons, they have like a programs that you can access and you can learn, and they prepare everything for you very, very well. On the first day, we do the full cadaver training, and all the instructor tell us a lot. They dissect very good, and we learn a lot of techniques.
When we are doing the cadaver workshop, I think it's good because we are not trying to avoid complication, but we are trying to cause complication, which I think is something different, because we try to avoid that in a normal human, but we're actually doing it in a cadaver. So we want to see, what are the methods that actually causes complication, and this actually gives us a stronger impression that, okay, these are the things that we don't do, these are the stuff we don't do on our patients.
And there's a lot of knowledge about anatomy, a lot of information. The trainers are fantastic, gave very clear and concise instructions. Last year I attended the M21 course, both courses, M21 and M23 this year. Both courses I gained a lot of knowledge. It's about complications management, and again the trainers were fantastic, and I learned even more.
You have to come, and you will also increase a lot of skills. Training on cadaver, I think it's the best. You can immediately see the result where you inject your product, and it's really necessary because it will give you more precision in the future for your practice.
So with eCamps, I was able to expand my knowledge. I've learned more about anatomy. We were able to improve our injection techniques for everything from fillers to toxins to biostimulators. So an emergency kit has always been very essential, but I think eCamps giving me an actual checklist as to what I need and teach me how to use every single item on the checklist. One of the most interesting things I learned today was how to actually simulate what a makeup artist can do, and to actually do the exact same lifting and volumization using the fillers and other biostimulators available right now.
Hello, I'm Dr. Lydia Barashid from Indonesia. So this is my first time to have eCamps in Cremona, Italy. I think it's a bit stressful, but it's good for us actually. And then for the day 1 and 2, it's super fantastic because I have a lot of experience, a very, very new technique. And then for emergency, for fillers emergency, we know deep and deeper.
I like the most is you compare the makeup artist on the other side and inject on the other side, so you know what patient want and what is the light reflection on the face, and how you create and treat it with the filler or even treat with the biostimulator. So it's gonna be the best result for the patient and really satisfied.
We learn about how to do the facial assessments and the facial contouring. I would advise all the doctors as aesthetic physicians, whether you are just started or whether it's already inject fillers, it's better for you to come over here to learn about this eCamp course.
It was great to join this course, and every Korean doctor should come and join this eCamps.
All the teachers gave me support and assisted me throughout the 4 days course, and I learned a lot. And now I feel like I'm more confident to do.
They really focus and not getting past if you not really understand it. They are really, dedicated to the teaching. You will meet a lot of international level speakers who join as a delegates, because at the end of the day, we're gaining something and changing some data together. It's really constructive way to creating the society of the practice.
ECAMS, it is now in my blood, and this is what I do every day.
Yeah, I want to say that this is fantastic course. I highly recommend this course for everyone.